Go get the ball.
Can you get it? Don't pull her hair.
You can get it. Go get the ball. Ball, yeah. Go get it.
Don't you see him book and ball and puppy and his dog and...
You can do it.
She better.
Book?
I don't mind pulling that book. No. No. I don't care about the other one. Not that one.
Get the ball for the dog. It's underneath the chair. Get it for her.
Oh, here it comes. Nope. Oh. Sit down and read your book. Sit down and read the book to the dog. Can you come over here and sit down? Come on. Read your book. Let's read your book, Kayla.
Throw her the ball and then she'll go for that instead of the book.
Throw the ball. Maybe not. I choked on my cereal.
Kayla, you're getting owned by the dog. She's like half your age. Step it up.
I wish that sun wasn't so bright coming through that window. It's hard to see.
Get your book.
Almost running away. Oh no. Almost running away. Get it. Get it. Get it, Kayla. Go out and go get another one. Did you give up that easy? She's looking for the piggly book. I bet you. You're gonna give her the annoying toy? Oh, that was cute. Oh, Amanda.
I'm taking a video.